Good morning. Today is my birthday, and today I will also be sharing what I will be eating. So let's get started. This year, I decided to keep it simple. I am stepping out of what's considered normal and doing my own thing. I started my day with some soursop tea with pineapple cubes, then a bowl of grapes, and right into some seasoned tomatoes. I didn't have anything planned for my birthday today, but my friends insisted on doing something for me, so they planned a brunch at one of my favorite restaurants in Alpharetta called True Kitchen. I love their kale salad. It's one of my favorites because they massage the kale in some type of lime juice, and it's amazing. And I love that they serve cold pressed juices, and their kale aid is one of my favorites. I also got some mixed fruit along with black tea. Everything was good. My friend gave me the cutest birthday card. It says a birthday is the perfect day to start a cleansing liquid diet. Start with a glass of wine and then work your way up to margaritas. Now that is the cutest thing. But once we were done with lunch, of course we had to go to the bookstore. My daughter and I both love reading, and my friend's daughter loves to read as well. They had so many interesting books. I didn't get anything for myself, but I got my daughter 2 books on my birthday. Yes, this is how things happen when you have kiddos. I am so grateful for all the gifts, and we are now heading into the city to go to Brooklyn Tea. From this video, you will soon discover my love for tea. There are so many unique ways to make them tasty, but I'm upset because they were closed when we got there but opened according to Google, so I went for a smoothie instead. The recipe for the smoothie is grapes, blackberries, and pineapples, which is a tasty fall-inspired smoothie, by the way. And per usual, I'm in the grocery store after all the fun ends. But it doesn't stop there. Of course, creating content is a major part of my day, so check out my latest short. In case you are curious, yes, I drink and eat everything that I post. Next on the menu is some avocado toast made with dehydrated eggplant as the bread alternative, and then it's showtime. You may call me crazy for this, but I discovered 2 things. 1, the connection you have with your food when you eat them with your hands is indescribable. It's more intimate and you instantly feel that connection. 2, salad tastes 100% better when you keep everything separate. The lettuce remains fresh and not soggy. It has that chip and dip effect. And if you have toppings, have them seasoned on the side. Trust me on this. Also, I have my dessert I made with pecans, almond butter, hemp seeds, and dates, and a pear for a late night snack. I will be lying to you if I tell you that I don't drink a mocktail every day. I am truly a drinker and will outdrink anyone in a day.
Someone must have broken my heart, like really torn it apart. In another life, in another life. Someone must have really picked me up, like caused my heart to stop. In another life, in another life. Otherwise, I don't know why I keep coming back to this. Keep fighting all of it. Don't trust that there's love to get. I Don't know why, I just can't believe in it. Like somehow I can't commit. Guess I have to admit. Yeah, I got an issue.
So the meals I just shared with you in this video is me maintaining my weight. And what I mean by that is preventing me from gaining weight. Yes, gaining weight. So let me break it down for you. I eat a lot of calorie dense foods. I'm talking bananas, nuts, tahini, avocado, dates, and oils. And most of my lunches and dinners contain 2 or more of the ingredients I just mentioned. So yes, I've been gaining weight. So what do? I work out. I eat more leafy greens for dinner. I juice. I avoid meal replacement smoothies because the weight sneaks up on you. I drink more water and I consume less salt. That's about it. One of the biggest lies I ever heard on a raw vegan diet is that you lose weight. This heavily depends on what you decide to consume on your raw vegan diet, because if you are consuming calorie dense foods, my friend, you are going to gain weight. There's no way around it. Just because it's raw does not mean that you are going to lose weight. That's so not true. Also, both sides of my family are on the heavier side, so I have to work a little bit harder than someone who is genetically small. Another hard truth is that being raw does not heal the body, my friend. Being raw, working out, managing your stress levels, avoiding toxic chemicals and unnecessary radiation does. Everything I thought I knew about being raw was wrong. It's really one of those situations where you have to embark on this journey yourself to really see if it works for you. You can watch a ton of videos, including my videos, and still not really experience what it's truly like to live a raw lifestyle. It's not as difficult as people make it seem. And some of the challenges that people mention a lot, usually it's not really a challenge, especially with the weight loss part of it. I was for sure after my juice cleanse that I was going to be able to maintain my weight because I loved my size. I was 130 pounds and that was my ideal weight. And so I was looking forward to maintaining that weight, and I thought it would be easy considering the fact that I was on a raw vegan diet. Yeah, I was wrong. I was very much wrong, okay? When you start taking in calorie dense foods, please do not underestimate the power of nuts, avocados, tahini, okay? Because tahini dressing will sneak up on you, okay? Also dates. Most of us don't just eat one date. We eat like at least minimum 100 grams, which is like 277 calories. So, and a lot of us use it in our smoothies and, you know, different recipes, even our dressings. You just don't realize like how much calories you're consuming a day until you embark on a raw vegan diet. So please don't underestimate the power of these raw foods because baby, they stick, okay? They stick. And if you're not working out, if you're not weight training, doing some type of resistance training, you will start to gain weight. And that's where I'm at. If there's any raw vegans watching my video, we can have a conversation about it and a debate about it all day, because let me tell you, you definitely gain weight on a raw vegan diet. So I just wanted to share that because I got a question on it, and I just wanted to let you guys know, yes, I do try to maintain it, but it's the opposite. I don't try to maintain it so I won't lose weight. I try to maintain it so I won't gain weight. Okay, so yeah, I just thought I would share that because I got this question more than once, and I'm just like, let me just let them know, because a lot of people are in fear of, like, you know, embarking on this journey because they are afraid of losing weight, especially if you're already small. I would even highly recommend that you take in more, you know, calorie dense foods if you are on the smaller side from the get-go. You know, with me, genetically, it's so easy for me to gain weight, but it's easy for me to lose weight as well. My body type is more like a mesomorph, I think that's the name of it. So it's easy for me to lose and gain weight, but if I'm not working out and I'm just sitting at home all day, I am going to gain weight. Especially eating the foods that I'm eating, I am going to gain weight. With this particular video, I wanted to show you guys what my diet looks like today. But prior to that, it was a lot of bananas. I was taking in like 6 bananas a day. I was taking in tons of dates, tons of nuts. Everything that I made included some type of nut, whether it was cashews, pecans, because it's in season, walnuts. Like, I'm taking in so, and y'all know how I feel about avocado. Let me just stop there. Y'all know how I feel about avocados. So I was taking in tons of avocado still. And tahini as well. I love tahini. I even, included tahini in this video with my salad because I love to keep it separate now. I feel like it makes my food more tasty because my lettuce is more fresh and it's not soaked, and drenched in like dressing. So that's just my weird way of doing things. But let me tell you, it's no rules to being raw. As long as the food is like raw and it's raw as farm, you are good. So I hope this motivates you guys to embark on this journey if you're truly curious about it. And don't be afraid. Just try it out yourself. If it doesn't work out for you or you feel like you can't manage it, you can always include a little bit of cooked food. Like, it's no harm in that. You don't have to like be hell bent on like being raw. It does not have to be that way. And I don't want you guys to think that it has to be that way. I choose to live this lifestyle because it makes me physically feel better. I feel 10 times better when I'm 100% raw, and it's just my preference. But if you feel great, eating cooked food and also raw food, do your thing. Like, if it works for you, do it, okay? I just like sharing my journey with people who want to, become 100% raw, or if you want to, learn more about recipes and things of that nature. I am here to share that, but I am not here to convince you that raw veganism is your answer and you have to do it, because you don't. You really don't. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you are new, hello, because like I don't ever say hello to the new people. So thank you for watching. I really hope that you enjoyed this video, and I hope that you come back to watch more videos. Okay, so I guess I'll see you in my next video. Bye.